Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another wash day routine video. And I'm super excited to show you guys my finished results because I did not know that this product was going to be so bomb on a style that I've been doing for years. So it just changed the whole game up. Before this, I hadn't washed my hair in I want to say about a month. So it was dry, had dandruff, it wasn't combed out. So it definitely was long overdue for this wash day. So after washing my hair with the shampoo, I went in the shower, rinsed it out. I came back and then I applied their thirst quenching recovery conditioning mask onto my hair. As you guys know, I like this mask because it is super thick and moisturizing, and it also makes your hair super easy to detangle, which is a bonus. I let the conditioner in my hair for 3 hours and then I rinsed it out with cool water. This is how my hair looks after rinsing the conditioner out. Super shiny, it feels soft. It just is so much more manageable than it was before. Right now, I'm using a spray bottle with water because my hair gets super dry really fast. So I just do that before I decide to style you. If your hair is the same way, I definitely recommend you to spray bottle before styling. The product that I'm going to be using is a glossing curly jelly. Y'all, this jelly is so bomb. Usually I use it on my hair when it's dry. Today was my first day using it when it was wet, and it was everything. Do y'all see that shine and definition? And then on top of all of that, it elongated my curls. Like, I love it. Originally, the plan was to do a braid out, but I ended up loving the way this product made my cornrows look, so I decided to leave my cornrows as my finished look. And I'm going to be wearing my hair like this for like the next week because I just really like it. This product made my hair shiny. It elongated my curls, which made my cornrows look longer. It made my hair feel super thick and healthy, so my braids just look so bomb. Like, this is definitely going to be my product when it comes to wearing my hair into cornrows, because every other product that I use makes my hair shrivel up, and this product did not do that at all. So if you're looking for something to elongate your curls, baby, you gotta try this. So right now I'm doing the same thing to the other side. I'm combing out my hair, and then I'm about to spray it with the water bottle, apply some curling jelly, and start to braid. The key to your cornrows being neat is to braid it neat. Take your time with it. Make sure that you brush your hair to smooth it out. Make sure that you are braiding it tight so that it doesn't loosen up, because you are probably going to do it on wet hair. And they are rubber bands at the bottom of my braids so that they do not unravel. So make sure you get the black little rubber band. I applied some more glossy curling jelly onto my braids just to make it look even more neat. And yeah, that's my finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely am loving my two cornrows. If you are looking for a product to elongate, add shine, definition, and everything to your hair, I definitely recommend that you try this product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you love my results. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.